Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the honorable judges, the teachers, and my friends who are listening to this storytelling competition today. I am Vika Dwi Nur Cahyani from SMP Antu Purworejo. I am going to tell my story entitled The Golden Snail. I take this story from www.prescribe.com. Hope you all enjoy it. Long time ago, there lived a king of Daha kingdom named Kertamarta. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a very beautiful and kind girl, but his sister was an evil. One day, Chandrakirana was engaged to a prince of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inu Kertapati, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh invite to his sister. Then she went to a witch to harm Chandrakirana. The witch agreed to do what Dewi Galuh asked. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. She transformed her into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Galuh threw her, which has become a snail, in the river. One day, an old woman was looking for fish in the river using nets. When she was about to leave the nets, she saw a golden snail transported. Then she broke the golden snail, went home, and put it in a jar. In the next day, she returned to the river to look for fishes, but unfortunately, she did not get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This incident occurred over and over in the next day. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out what did it to her by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. Then she saw a snail turn into a beautiful woman and cook meals for her. Soon the old woman came into her house. "Who are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a princess of Daha, reduced by a witch into a golden snail," sighed her. After telling what had happened, she was invited Chandrakirana to stay with her. The news about Chandrakirana loss made Prince Inu Kertapati confused and sad. He searched for her all over the kingdom by disguising as a villager. The witch knew what was done by him. She was disguised as a raven to disrupt the prince's effort to meet Chandrakirana. On his own way, Prince Inu Kertapati was helped an old man who was sick. He hid the bird until it died. Prince Inu turned to him. He also told the intent and purpose of his journey. After knowing what had happened, the old man told Prince Inu to search her in the Dadapan village. Afterwards, the prince traveled to the Dadapan village right away. After walking for days, the prince arrived in the Dadapan village. He was very thirsty at the time. Then he saw a small hut and approached it. Suddenly, he was shocked because he saw his fiancée cooking through the window. He immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and the magic was lost. Then the princess told what had happened, and she also introduced the old woman who had helped her to the prince. The prince was very grateful to the old woman. Then he brought Chandrakirana and the old woman in the palace. After arriving at the palace, the king was happy because her daughter had returned. He also knew what had happened to his daughter. Knowing his sister had been found, Dewi Galuh ran away from the palace because she was afraid of being punished by his father. Then Chandra Kirana and Raden Inu Kertapati were married and they lived happily ever after. Well, it was all my story. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.